Hello guys, in today's video I have the DOOGEE Blade 20 Max and I'm going to tell you what to do if the fingerprint sensor is not working in your device. So, actually this fingerprint sensor is not under display. The fingerprint sensor, as you can see, it's right here. This is this button over here. If I try to unlock this device, it was this finger I guess, it is automatically opening. And if your fingerprint sensor doesn't work, you need to do these steps. At first, take this microfiber cloth, for example, maybe not microfiber, but it has to be just soft, and wipe the main area. Just clean the fingerprint sensor over here. It needs to be clean, and so is your finger. So just clean your finger and check if it works. As you can see, it works. If it doesn't work for you, you need to open the settings. Here, you need to scroll down to the security and privacy. And now once you're here, you need to tap device unlock. Tap fingerprint face unlock. Draw your pattern. Wait a moment, it's like this. And tap fingerprint. Now, as I can see, here is your fingerprint. Tap this bin icon near it. Delete. Tap add fingerprint and register your fingerprint once again. You have to lift, then touch again the fingerprint sensor over here, and as you can see, this is the progress bar. It's not that nice, but we can see somehow our progress. As you can see, now I need to adjust my finger. Now fingerprint is added. Tap down, lock your device, and now as you can see, device unlocked. If it works for you, that's nice, but if it doesn't, you need to, if you do have any case on your device, remove this case. I don't really think that the case should be needed for this type of phone, which is rugged phone, but if you do have any case, remove it and check it without the case. What? I think it disappeared for a moment. We can now move to the next step, which is when we go back and back, we can scroll down to the system. Now once in the system, we need to go to the system updates and check for updates. If you don't have any updates, update your phone. And if it still doesn't work for you, you need to contact device support because it may be broken. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.